Imagine a world where every decision, every action is guided by wisdom, courage, and compassion. What if I told you that such a world isn't just a fantasy, but could be your reality? Embracing virtue ethics can increase your life satisfaction by 12%, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and grace. Let's dive into how cultivating Stoic virtues can revolutionize your everyday life, offering a path to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Before we move forward, check out the links in the description below for free guides and resources that will take your knowledge to the next level. Let's begin. Why embrace virtue ethics in everyday living? Do you know that embracing virtue ethics can lead to a 12% increase in overall life satisfaction? By practicing wisdom, courage, self-control, compassion, empathy, and integrity in your daily life, you can navigate challenges with resilience and grace. This article explores why embracing virtue ethics is essential for your everyday living. Learn how to cultivate these Stoic virtues and integrate them into your actions for a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Understanding virtue ethics. You should embrace an understanding of virtue ethics, as it provides a framework for evaluating and cultivating moral character in everyday life. By focusing on ethical character and moral excellence, virtue ethics encourages you to develop habits that lead to a more virtuous life. This ethical framework emphasizes the importance of traits such as honesty, kindness, and integrity, guiding you to make decisions based on these virtues. Understanding virtue ethics allows you to reflect on your actions and strive for moral excellence in all aspects of your life. Embracing virtue ethics means recognizing the significance of cultivating inner strength and moral character. It encourages you to consider not only the consequences of your actions, but also the motivations behind them. By incorporating virtue ethics into your daily life, you can create a sense of safety and security for yourself and those around you. This approach fosters a practical and Stoic mindset, guiding you to make decisions that align with ethical character and contribute to moral excellence. Practicing wisdom in decision-making. Practicing wisdom in decision-making involves reflecting on the virtues that guide your actions and striving for moral excellence in everyday choices. When faced with ethical dilemmas, it's essential to engage in moral reasoning and consider how your decisions align with virtuous principles. Practical wisdom, also known as phronesis in virtue ethics, is crucial for making sound judgments in complex situations. It requires a deep understanding of ethical principles and the ability to apply them thoughtfully to real-life scenarios. In cultivating practical wisdom, take the time to reflect on past decisions and their outcomes. Consider how virtues such as honesty, compassion, and fairness have influenced your choices. By doing so, you can refine your ethical judgment and enhance your ability to navigate future challenges with greater wisdom. Practicing wisdom in decision-making isn't about seeking perfection, but rather striving for continuous improvement in your ethical reasoning. Embracing this mindset can provide a sense of safety and security, knowing that you're approaching decisions with a thoughtful and principled mindset. Ultimately, the pursuit of practical wisdom empowers you to make choices that align with your values and contribute to a virtuous life. Cultivating courage in adversity. Cultivating courage in adversity involves embracing resilience and fortitude as you navigate ethical challenges with a virtuous mindset. Building resilience is essential in facing challenges with grace and strength. When adversity strikes, it's natural to feel overwhelmed or fearful. However, by fostering resilience, you can develop the inner strength needed to confront difficult situations. Reflect on past experiences where you've shown courage and resilience. What helped you get through those tough times? Draw upon those strengths as you face new challenges. Additionally, fortitude plays a crucial role in cultivating courage. It's about having the mental and emotional strength to persevere, especially in the face of adversity. Embrace discomfort and uncertainty, knowing that they're part of the human experience. By acknowledging and accepting these challenges, you can develop the courage to navigate them. Remember, it's okay to feel afraid, but it's important to act despite those fears. Developing self-control and moderation. Drawing upon the strengths you've developed in cultivating courage and resilience, it's crucial to now focus on developing self-control and moderation in facing ethical challenges with a virtuous mindset. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of ethical living. It empowers you to resist impulsive actions and make deliberate, thoughtful choices. Practice temperance in all aspects of life, whether it's in managing your emotions, consuming resources, or engaging in social interactions. By exercising restraint and moderation, you cultivate a sense of balance and harmony within yourself and in your relationships with others. When you encounter ethical dilemmas, harnessing self-control allows you to approach them with a clear mind and a steadfast commitment to upholding virtuous values. It enables you to navigate challenging situations with composure and grace, steering clear of hasty or ill-considered decisions. Developing self-control and moderation doesn't mean denying yourself pleasure, but rather finding the middle ground where indulgence gives way to thoughtful restraint. Embracing these virtues not only fosters personal growth, but also contributes to a more harmonious and ethical society, nurturing compassion and empathy. To continue fostering ethical virtues in your everyday life, it's essential to nurture compassion and empathy as integral components of your interactions with others. Empathy training can be a valuable tool in developing a deeper understanding of the emotions and experiences of those around you. This involves actively listening to others, acknowledging their feelings, and trying to see things from their perspective. By practicing empathy, you can build stronger, more meaningful connections with people and create a supportive environment for everyone involved. Compassion cultivation is another crucial aspect of nurturing empathy. It involves not only understanding others' emotions, but also being motivated to alleviate their suffering. This can be achieved by actively looking for ways to help others, being kind and considerate, and showing genuine concern for their well-being. Cultivating compassion can lead to a more harmonious and understanding community, promoting a sense of safety and security for everyone. Incorporating empathy training and compassion cultivation into your daily interactions can significantly enhance your ethical virtues, fostering a more caring and empathetic environment for yourself and those around you. Fostering integrity and honesty. When fostering integrity and honesty in your everyday interactions, it's important to prioritize transparency and truthfulness in your communication and actions. Building character through honesty requires a steadfast commitment to speaking and acting in a manner that aligns with your values. This means being truthful even when it's difficult, and owning up to mistakes or shortcomings with integrity. Promoting ethical behavior involves consistently making choices that reflect your moral compass even when no one is watching. It's about doing what's right, not just what's easy or convenient. In practical terms, fostering integrity and honesty necessitates a deep self-awareness and a willingness to hold yourself accountable for your words and deeds. Reflect on your actions and consider how they contribute to the ethical culture you desire. Embrace the discomfort of admitting fault and strive to make amends when necessary. By cultivating these virtues, you not only elevate your own character, but also contribute to a safer and more trustworthy environment for those around you. Embracing Stoic virtues in everyday actions. As you navigate through your daily interactions, embracing Stoic virtues in your everyday actions can provide a framework for maintaining composure and resilience in the face of adversity. Stoicism emphasizes the cultivation of inner strength and moral character, which can be applied to various aspects of life. By integrating Stoic values into your actions, you can develop a mindset that fosters tranquility and rationality, even in challenging situations. Practicing Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance can guide your behavior towards a more principled and ethical approach to life. When faced with difficult decisions or conflicts, reflecting on these virtues can help you respond with clarity and integrity. Embracing Stoic virtues doesn't mean suppressing emotions, but rather acknowledging them and choosing how to act upon them rationally and virtuously. Incorporating Stoic values into your everyday actions can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. By nurturing moral character and adhering to these timeless virtues, you can navigate the complexities of daily living with greater resilience and inner peace. Embracing Stoic virtues isn't about escaping emotions or challenges, but about approaching them with a sense of practical wisdom and moral strength. If you enjoyed our dive into the world of Stoicism, do us a favor and smash that like button. It really helps us out. Share this video to spread the Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Together, let's keep exploring the timeless truths of life. Check out the links in the description below for free guides and resources that will take your knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.